In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your old data, like what you have checked in your encyclopedia, for example, into the new database that you've got. So I tested it out and it's worked so far with the insects, so I'm going to show you now how to do it with the fish. So what we do is we load the fish one. So hopefully I've used it, yeah. So these are all the fish that I have. And you make sure that it's loaded all the way so that you have all of the items viewable, and then you just drag all the way down and then press Command C or whatever copy is on Windows, I think it's Control, and then go to the new version, go to fish. Yeah, you have to be in table view, and again make sure it's all loaded, and then literally just what I do is I just drag down to get it blue, and then I drag up again, and then I press Command V, and then it copies the ticks that I've had there. So here it says I've got 63.75% checked, so let's just check that against this 63.75. So yeah, that's basically a quick way of doing it. Make sure you're in table view, and then the way it has to be blue like this when you copy it, and also blue like that when you paste it, otherwise it won't work. But yeah, I hope that helps and just makes the transition easier, because I know it's annoying when like you've got everything in one database and you just want to put it in the new one, or you want to use the new one but you don't want to go through all of that hassle again. So this is a good quick way to just do that. You only have to do it once. So yeah, cool. Thank you for watching.